Yun guys, at wala mo ng edit screen guys kasi tinatamad mo mag-edit. GG. So soon guys, magkakabagong update na naman dito guys. Siguro guys, aayusin ko na itong choking na to guys kasi tagal na ito temporarily closed guys. Parang hindi nata temporarily, parang permanently closed na siya guys. TBH. Anyways guys, wala pa rin, opo ma. Anyways guys, wala pa rin naman update dito guys sa food hall. Same pa rin naman siya. Ang karis niya guys, nag-stay pa rin. Ito guys, kakain na akong candy. O, sige mamaya na nga lang guys. Dito guys, dito kasi yun. Okay. Love you guys. Okay guys, bye and thank you for watching.